Such a good boy. This is Buzz. He is such a good boy. Buzz seems it have a perfect life and a lot of very well-behaved friends. Buzz would never dream of being anything other than good. Right? Buzz? Buzz? Uh-oh. Such a Good Boy by Marianna Coppo. This is Buzz. Come here. Buzz? Good boy. Buzz is a very lucky dog. He lives in a very fancy house. Inside, an even fancier one. He takes care of his appearance and eats a healthy diet. He pretty much has it all. But sometimes Buzz feels under pressure. He has to keep up the family name. Every morning, Buzz goes for a walk. He does his business. No! He doesn't talk to strangers. No! Or waste his time on nonsense. No! He's such a good boy. Buzz's favorite day of the week is Sunday. Sunday is Park Day. The park is full of dogs, but many of them are dangerous, wild, mean. At least that's what he's been told. There are others like Buzz. You can spot them by their leashes. Sometimes Buzz comes home with something nice. But that never lasts long. No! Sometimes Buzz wishes he were someone else. It's been raining all week. On Sunday, it's sunny, so Buzz can see his friends. But, as usual, they don't have much to say to each other. No! Don't you dare, Buzz. Don't you dare. Buzz, well, he does. Oh, he's covered with water. Good boy, open. Maybe that wasn't such a good idea after all. Good boy? Not anymore. Buzz is free. Free to run, free to stop, free to recognize and be recognized. Free to taste this, and also this. Ew. Free to dig a hole or or 2 or 3 or 4 or... Uh-oh. Uh-oh! It says lost what? Buzz. Big reward. I think this is the little dog hiding over here. There's lots of Buzz in the poster. Buzz should have known this wouldn't last. Or will it? Or will it? The end. I hope you like this book called Such a Good Boy. Thank you for watching. Give a big thumbs up if you like it and subscribe to my channel. And I'll see you